Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your smartphone as a document camera right here, only using the application called Zoom right here. So the only thing you need to install right here is the application called Zoom right here. You want to open it right there. And then make sure you have Zoom installed on your device right here. You want to install Zoom right here. You want to install Zoom right there. You want to install Zoom right here by clicking the download link when you at the Zoom download right here. Download it and install it right there. Now, what you want to do now is you want to open up Zoom right there. Start a new meeting right there. And then you want to do that right there. And then what you want to do is you want to click participants and invite right there. You want to invite right there. You can type the person's name, or you can just give them the meeting ID right there and the password right there. You want to enter the password right here, but click join a meeting right there. It says meeting ID, which is meeting ID right here. Click that right there. Then it's gonna ask you for the password right there. You see, you want to enter the password right here, which is meeting passcode right there. Enter that in, and then it's gonna be doing it right there. Right there. Continue. Then it's gonna ask you to access camera right there. Join with video. Right there. Allow. And allow. Right there. It says you are in the waiting room. Right there. Wait for administration right there. Then you want to get right here. It says iPhone entered the waiting room. Click admit right there. Then exit this right here. Then you have right here where you want to change the camera. Then you want to change the orientation of the camera right there. And then you see right here, you can even go right here. You can go to view and then click gallery view right here. And then you have iPhone right there. You can use this iPhone right here as a document camera right here. I don't know if you see it right here, but you can use the iPhone as the document camera. Now you can change the orientation right here. You see? You can use the iPhone right here as document camera right here. So only when you're talking, you're gonna need to mute yourself and the video to be turned off right here. You're gonna need to mute yourself right there. You see, you have the iPhone and you have the webcam right there. So that's how you can use an iPhone as the webcam right there for free without downloading any app right here. Only using the app Zoom right there. You see, it's better to have your iPhone on a tripod so that you can use both hands when you're using to see the document right here. You see, it is better to have a tripod because you can see the document better and to have your hands free without having to hold the iPhone right there, because you're going to be tired holding the iPhone for long periods of time right here. Now to stop the meeting, what you need to do is you need to click leave right there on your iPhone. Click leave right there. Then to end it, you can end right there. Click end and then leave meeting for all right there. Then exit that out right there. And then that's it for this video, guys, on how to use Zoom for your document camera. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos on how to use your phone for a document camera. Please like, comment, and subscribe.